pregnant? How could you do that?
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it.
You think it'll make a difference?
And I was over.
Of course it will.
Until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hand.
We should both do it. At the same time. Help each other. No. It's hard to do it. No one wants to, but we can do it so with people. It isn't our choice, and then it would be over.
Fall into your feet, but there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true. And
I don't want to do this.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as
I don't want to be gutted. I want to go in this bed tonight with you beside me. Please.
close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me.
Is this what you want? Pain doesn't go away. You just make things hard.
Never knew all the things you'd say they were never true. And
Beth?
you would always win.
She's in there, her class. Beth? I left her with Andrew.
To the rain, watch it pour.
She wants to live. She made the decision.
I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain and locked us into the flame.
You let her go.
When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the time.
You threw it away to save yourself.
You can't possibly believe it.
I was holding on to her.
And she would have dragged you down.
You let her go.
Sweet.